Hi, I'm firefighter Richard Amat from Miami-Dade Fire Rescue, Airport Division. I work at Miami National Airport. I am the driver training instructor for the Airport Division of Miami-Dade Fire Rescue. Miami-Dade Fire Rescue has about 3,200 uniformed members, of which 150 work in the Aviation Division. We're a very busy airport, and we're really happy to have the Panthers, to continue on with the Panthers. This vehicle is our 10th Panther. We also have an Airwolf, and we're taking delivery of another Airwolf in the next month or so, and we're also have another Panther ATRET on order. We also have first generation Panthers as spares and also as outlying airports. As I said, we've been very happy with the Panthers. We're glad to be able to continue to work with Rosenbauer to get the Panthers. It's been an amazing change from our original Panthers that we acquired in 2012 to today's Panther. These now are essentially technological marvels. The way they operate and the ease with which they operate for us is just fantastic. It makes our job easier as trainers to have our drivers train on the vehicles that are, while they appear to be complicated, that once you get used to the vehicles, they are easy to operate. So in any case, we've been very happy with the trucks. We continue to look forward to having a mutually beneficial relationship with Rosenbauer, and we're now going to do a walk around the truck and show you the equipment and what we like about our vehicles.
Hi, I'm firefighter Omar Cuartas, Miami-Dade Fire Rescue, Aviation Division. So I want to show you a few things that we have on our new latest and greatest Panther. We'll start off right here in the front. You'll notice that this truck, the visibility on it is greatly increased compared to the previous model. We also incorporated the remote start. This eliminates those crucial seconds to get us out the door and on the airfield quicker. So that's a big improvement over the previous generation. That's an option that we chose to go with. Another option, which may look complicated, but it's not, is our tire pressure monitoring system. So this gives us the ability to quickly check out in the morning what our tire pressures are, but it also gives us real-time feedback. And it's a simple system where they actually bolt on the system on the existing tire. There's no extra fancy, more expensive tire or rim package that you have to get. It bolts on directly. So moving on to our first compartment, we've seen a huge improvement over the previous model where our nitrogen bottle, it's on a winch and we can bring it down to the ground safely and quickly. We love that. The ease of operation with our structural panel is huge. The layout of all the controls, all of our plumbing, huge improvement. So the next compartment is where we keep our jump line. 200 feet, 1.75 inches. And we also have on this compartment a slide out where we have our hose dividers. So we'll have 5-inch and 3-inch hose that will give us the ability to quickly refill the truck since we have everything centrally located. Back here, before I had a small step to climb up to do my maintenance checks, or even our maintenance staff to get in and do work. They had to balance on that little step. Now, with these gull wing doors, we have a huge platform where we can climb up, expose the area we need by pulling these panels out, and it gives us a full access to the engine. Moving out back, something else that we chose to incorporate was, even though Rosenbauer has a push to shut off your electrical, we incorporated a key. That key gives us a true lockout tagout. So our maintenance staff feels a little safer working on the truck. No one accidentally turns the truck on while they're inside. What you will notice in the back and around the truck, we have 4 cameras. It's an option, something I think you should go with. This option gives you the ability to see around the truck, and I think it's a safety feature. You can see debris if you're trying to navigate something, or even getting out of the station. You can see where the rear of the truck clears the station, and you can make that turn. And as silly as this may be, this ladder not only gives you ease of operating and getting up, but one thing we noticed in the old Panthers, you got all that hot air coming off the rear when the truck is operating. That ladder got hot. You had to wear fire gloves sometimes to climb up. This ladder doesn't get hot anymore. Don't know what they made it out of, but good job. Here you will find our DEF reservoir and our HVAC reservoir. Also have more access to the engine. We have also spec'd this truck out with a 200-foot air reel on this side. If you notice on the other side, we had a 200-foot electrical reel. So out here we have our hose reel. Easy to operate, gives you plenty of flexibility to go in front of the truck or behind the truck. A great feature to have. And here we have access to our pressure vessel. We carry Purple K on this truck, 450 pounds. All our trucks are spec'd out the same way. We have our jump line, and just like I said before on the other side, great use of space, a lot cleaner, a lot better design of all the piping. The monitor, this monitor is a huge improvement over the previous generation. This will give you the ability to get down low, get that thermal column closer down. So this will depress down for about a foot. 625, 1250 is the GPMs, and it's just a huge, huge improvement. So I want to talk a little bit about the really bread and butter of this apparatus. This truck gets us positioned quicker than our previous apparatus that had HREDs. The turret will actually move out of the way once I put it in piercing mode. Keeps this out of contact with the side of the aircraft. As you can see, we've deployed our piercing tip, which has a bulbous tip. So that gives us the ability to get in and out of the side of the aircraft much quicker, much easier. It fires hydraulically into the side of the aircraft once this pressure ring makes contact, and we get an indicator, lights, gives us 2 green lights and tells us we're in proper placement. We have the ability to go underneath, above, whatever angle we may need to get to that hot spot, much easier than we could before. We've also incorporated a thermal imager right in line with our piercing tip to see exactly where we need to make contact with the side of the aircraft and extinguish that fire behind the skin. We've also placed our color camera right above our turret. That gives us also another added benefit to where if there's debris that's on fire or something else could be that's blocking us, we can go around that obstacle and extinguish it by looking at the camera from inside the cab, instead of having someone go around and remotely tell us if we're on the actual hotspot.